Hello, welcome back to my channel. This video was supposed to be just the Apple Watch Series 5 unboxing that I recorded directly after recording my iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing, but unfortunately I haven't had the chance to finish editing this video, so it's being uploaded much later. So I figured I would add a little review on the Apple Watch Series 5 that I've been using for the last week or so. Just for starters, the biggest difference that I think I've appreciated with the Apple Watch Series 5 is the fact that the screen's a little bit bigger, so I have a little bit more screen real estate, and with it, it just seems to be a little bit clearer, a little bit snappier, and I just overall like the device more than the Apple Watch Series 3 that I was using. So overall, super happy with my purchase. I do also like the new software. There's a lot more customizable options, and I absolutely love that. So yeah, just quick review. I use it to track my workouts. I use it to check my heart rate. I use it to track my sleeping. I use it for all the things I think anyone would realistically, you'd expect someone to use their Apple Watch for. So that's the review. It's great. I love it. So here is the Apple Watch Series 5 unboxing. Well, I guess I could show you. What are you doing? What are you doing? He wants my attention. And his dog hair is literally everywhere on me. Look. Ugh. You're crazy. So yeah, here's the Apple Watch Series 5 unboxing. I hope you like it. It's kind of... Right now he is feeling needy, as he usually does. He just wants love though. That's all he wants. Okay, that's it. So yeah, here's the Apple Watch Series 5 unboxing, where I plan to make some things, and I have some things working, so yeah, enjoy. So this is kind of like a quality test to that camera, which I'm sure is magnificent. And then we have the new Apple Watch Series 5 to unbox. I'm excited to get my hands on this. So let's get started. Oh, this has like a little pull tab. You see that little pull tab? Notorious Apple. Okay. Ready? Set. I've seen to open them all backwards today. So here is the Apple Watch Series 5. Ooh. Zip it so you can see it better. Yes. So this is very exciting. Yes, yes, yes. So, brilliant move, Theo. But here's the Apple Watch Series 5. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get it open. So as we know, we've learned this. So here's our little pull tab. Let's go ahead and let's do it. So, yeah. Here it is. All right. Here it is. And let's open it up. Somehow. Oh, it doesn't slide like that. Okay. So it's got these little pull tabs, which is new for me. Ooh, how cool is that? Okay, so we have the watch, and we have the extra band, and I did the green band to match the phone. Looks kind of bluish, but we'll see what it looks like. Anyway, let's go ahead and open up the actual watch with a pull tab. Another one. Oh, these are so satisfying. I love these. Let's do it. Okay. A little different than the other watches I've opened. Here we go. Here we have the little how-to setup guide. Anticipated. But it's got like this fuzzy, it's in like this styrofoamy feeling kind of casing, which I think is really cool. My other watches didn't come like that. I couldn't tell you, so we're just gonna slide it out. And there it is. But this is like a really interesting material. It's like a cellophane kind of, but there's the Series 5. Cool. Alright, so now I guess I have to unbox the bands. So let's do that too. Is there another pulley tab? There is. I love these. Okay. So I probably need the large one. So yeah, this is the large one. Set it right there. It says ML for medium large. It's almost like a bluish. Kind of dig that. This goes like this, and this goes like this, and this goes like, okay, there it is on me. So it looks like also my battery is going to die on the camera, so let's boot it up quick. It's taken a while. So okay, so now I need to pair it to my Apple Watch, but there it is. Series 5 unboxing. Thank you for watching. I appreciate that. So yeah, goodbye. So just for reference, the audio at this point in the video is completely shot, and this is me currently editing a week later after filming this. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe. I really appreciate you watching this far. If you've literally watched the video this far, I like super duper appreciate it, like for real. Peace out.